install Sileo on iOS 13.5 on the Unc0ver jailbreak. So I'm going to credit to DJ Phil Official. I did make a video on this a while ago, but I saw this video that's supported by iOS 13.5, and it does say check rain, but it does work on the check rain, the latest check rain iOS 13.5, and also the latest Unc0ver jailbreak for iOS 13.5, up to iOS 13.5 I mean. So you guys want to add the source right here, so add the source, tap into it, tap on packages, tap on packages, and then you see Sileo prep check rain right here. Tap on that, and you tap on install. And after you guys install it, you will get Cool Stars Sileo on your iOS device running with Cydia. So you have Sileo and Cydia on your device. So I'm just saying, if you were from, let's say you just have Sileo, and you don't have Cydia for, whoever jailbreak, if you, let's say you jailbreak it with Cool Stars jailbreak, you only have Sileo, not Cydia, then you basically add this source and tap on Cydia installer, and this actually gives you Cydia. So that's great. And also you have Cydia right here. If that doesn't work, but I'll actually go first with Sileo prep for check rain, and that should give you Sileo. So you just tap on it, tap on install, and tap on confirm, and then you should have Sileo. And Sileo is a lot faster. It's a different look, so a lot of people might like it, different design. But personally, I like Cydia. It's it's OG. I'm familiar with it, and I definitely agree that Sileo is faster, but I would still go with Cydia in my opinion. But it's your guys' choice. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. And if you do want to remove it, you just go back to here, go to Cydia, go back to the source. So go back to the source, do all packages, and you tap on it, and install. Instead of it saying install, it say remove, and you just tap on remove. So, or let's say you get errors with this not working, just remove it. But yeah, like I said, it's your choice. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.